Alexa's gift for graduation. What are you talking? She's gonna be driving us to Wildwood.
You're gonna see it, like when she was driving.
Oh, thank you. I know, right, Dan. This is my mom. You remember my mom, right? What? No, get out. Get out. Are you serious? Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god, hold on first.
I didn't get it.
Oh my god. Because I'm so shocked.
She's like, oh, I like your hair.
We were asking, hi, John. We were asking why you were here.
Because you deserve it.
How are you?
Hi,
How are you?
Did you know or no?
No.
Aww.
Why do you want
Aisha's like, I just wanted to hang out.
we did hang out.
All right.
You need a pillow? We can buy a pillow? Oh, it's good.
Hi, Troy. Hi, Troy. Where's
Yeah,
the
vamos
air
a hacer de
conditioner?
vuelta.
You gonna go driving now? She's got a better car than me, this little brat. I never been in the car with my sister.
Oh, I'm not bad.
Look how freaking up she is. look how far
The
up.
little girl just move out of the way.
What? What little girl?
Are you guys ready?
Should I put my? She's probably better than me. Oh my god, I'm in the car with Alexa. I'm in the car with Alexa. She's gonna be driving in the highway. And I'm the older sister who doesn't drive in the highway. I just drive to my house, to my mom's.
Pull forward. Pull forward.